Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good at home. So here I am again with my new topic soil from chapter number 2, the earth and the changes on it. So here we will read about soil, formation of soil and the distribution of major soil types. So are you all ready for that? So let's start. Soil. As we all know that a large part of the earth's land surface is covered with soil. Soil is formed by the weathering rocks. Students, do you know what is weathering? Yes, weathering is a process that breaks rock into smaller particles. Soil forms very slowly. Even it takes hundreds of years to make just 1 centimeter of soil. It is a combination of organic and inorganic matter. So first see the picture of soil. It contains 45% mineral, 25% air, 25% water and 5% organic matter. Now let's read about organic components and inorganic components. Organic components consist of dead and decomposed parts of animals and plants, which is called humus. And humus is very important for the fertility of soil. Now inorganic components. Inorganic components is formed by rock particles. They include loose particles of different size. The large size particles are gravel, while the smaller ones are sand, silt and clay. And after the mixture of these particles, we will get sandy, loamy and clay soil. Now next is formation of soil. Students, as we already discussed about soil, that it takes very long time to form, and it is a very slow process. It takes even thousands of years to form a thin layer of soil. So here are transported soil and residual soil. Transported soil, when soil moves from one place to another with the help of water, wind, is transported soil. But when the soil remains present on the same site after the weathering is called residual soil. Now next is soil layers. A layer is topsoil, which is rich in humus and it is very good in the fertility of soil. B layer subsoil, C layer weathered rock and D solid rock. So now move to the next topic, distribution of major soil types. Students, as we all know that soil is found everywhere. It is in fact the top layer of the earth's surface. In India, we use soil for many purposes like for construction and agriculture among other things. The type of soil used for each purpose is different. There are 6 different types of soil found in different parts of India. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and sandy soil. So now let's read about the alluvial soil first. Alluvial soil is very fertile. This soil is found in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and some other states in India, as you all able to see on your screen. It is formed by the deposit of various rivers like Ganga. Crops like rice, wheat, jute and tobacco grow well in alluvial soil. Now next is black soil. It is mostly found in the Deccan Plateau and in the states like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and the other places. Black soil is dark in color. Why? Because it contains lava and salt. Okay. Now wheat, cotton and sugar cane grow well in this soil. Black soil is also known as cotton soil or regur soil. Now let's move to the next soil, red soil. Red soil is red in color. It is mostly found in Jharkhand, Kerala, Karnataka and some other states of India. And why it is red in color? This soil is red in color due to the presence of iron particles. So, crops like jowar, tea, bajra and coffee are grown in this soil. Our next soil is laterite soil. It is found in Meghalaya, Orissa, Assam and other parts of India. It is rich in iron and has a rusty red color. It is used in making construction material. As you all are able to see on your screen, that bricks are made from the laterite soil and bricks are used for the making buildings or some construction work. The crops that grow well in laterite soil include groundnuts and rubber. Rubber is used to make tire of vehicles. Next soil is mountain soil. Mountain soil is found in hilly areas of India like Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand in the north and Arunachal Pradesh in the east, among some other states. Apple, tea grow well in this soil. Now next is sandy soil. The desert region of Gujarat and Rajasthan have sandy soil. This soil is light brown and yellowish in color. Dates and bajra grow well in this dry soil. I hope you all understand it. Now it's time to check your knowledge. Now tell me, in which soil type is jute generally grown? Are you able to answer it? Yes, it's alluvial soil. Next, in which soil type is rubber grown? Yes, it's laterite soil. Which soil type is commonly used to make bricks? Very good, it's laterite soil. In which soil type do apples grow well? Yes, it's mountain soil. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.